Welcome to the StatTree Help video module for sample size estimation. When preparing to conduct a study, it may be helpful to determine the minimum sample size needed to attain research goals. In many cases, the local IRB may require an a priori power analysis as part of the study approval process. To conduct a power analysis in SPSS, go to Analyze in the top menu. Select Power Analysis, choose Means, and One-Way ANOVA. Note, there are different power analyses procedures depending on what statistical test you intend to conduct for your study. When the Power Analysis One-Way ANOVA dialog box appears, select the Estimate Sample Size option under Test Assumptions. Specify a single power value. In this example, I have specified a power of 0.95. Check that the significance level is set to 0.05. Next, select Effect Size Cohen's F next to Specify and type in 0.25 as the value. These figures correspond to recommendations in Cohen 1998, adhered to by many social scientists, although you may choose different parameters for your particular study. Now press the OK button. SPSS will generate an output in a new window. This output may be useful in determining the minimal sample size needed to obtain sufficient power to avoid a type 2 error when conducting your study, and may need to be reported in the Methods section of the research report. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the Sending page from the StatTree module. Additionally, these procedures can be run from an SPSS syntax file. The code for this can be copied from the new browser window when you press the Script button on the Sending page from the StatTree module.